Hello guys, happy Sunday. This is GK here of Weekly Investment Channel. Um, the markets are closed, and this is a very special edition that I would like to cover. Today is Sunday, Feb 12th, and in this special edition, I would like to cover specific industry, and within that, the stock I find interesting at this point, and how it looks like compared to the industry itself, and how it is trading against S&P. So that's the goal. Let's move on. Um, this particular time, I think I would like to talk about the retail industry. Retail, I know, is not performing that well, but I feel there are some good quality stocks that have given some double-digit returns this year. So I would like to look at those and try to share my views. Um, so the stock that I am trying to explore today is TJX. TJ Maxx. I think many of you guys know this company and this stock and this store. Um, and I've seen this store is always busy, and this is one of my to-go store. If I don't do anything online, right, and if I want something quickly, or if I want something like a good brand, I will go to TJ Maxx. There is Marshalls, Home Goods, and other stores. I've been to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. I don't know about Winners, HomeSense, or Sierra, but I will be exploring them in the future. Having said that, um, let's head back to. Having said that, let me just get to TOS, and let me compare TJX with the industry, and show my point of view and how TJX has performed compared to others. Um, so here, we have TJX in our chart, and if you look at it, it is way above your um, your 100-day moving average. It's way above your 200-day moving average. So it's definitely above your 10-day moving average, right? So it has been having some trouble last September, but after that, I think it has kind of picked up, um, and it is ever since it has been trading in a range, between, right. Let's say, give me a second. Um, it has been trading between about $76-$77, and the high of $83 for almost since November of last year. So this is going sideways. I have a feeling that it is time that if it comes back to this 77 area, and if it didn't held, I mean, if it did not hold that area, I think it's probably going to go down. Probably it might touch here somewhere in the range of 74, but somewhere around the 77 area, I think it should stabilize. But I think that's my view, right? Let's compare this with XRT. So let me add XRT, which is the retail ETF. Just going to add XRT. Let's say XRT here, right? Yeah. And I just need to compare in terms of percentage, right? So I'm just going to say what is the percentage change compared to the XRT, which is your this is your retail ETF, XRT, and this is your TJX. So it has really performed well. It's about 18% higher in terms of 1 year performance compared with the XRT. It is negative 2% or so. So that really shows that TJX has outperformed the XRT. So I would like to compare another stock in the same sector. Let's see that how that is performed, right? So if you take in the same industry, let's do coals. Let's do coals here. The coals, again, I need to compare this the percentage. So I'm just going to say the percentage here. Let's see that coals has been not doing well. I think last year around this time it was positive 26%. I think there were rumors about some private equity or hedge fund taking some large positions, but now I have no clue what happened to that. But overall, if you look at TJ Maxx and Kohl's, they are almost the same retail and apparel, right? So TJ Maxx has done fantastically well. TJX has done extremely well, and Kohl's is not. So let's compare another retailer. This one is pretty big. So let's do that. I would like to go with let's do Walmart, right? Again, it is all comes down to the performance of the stock and the company, right? If you look at it, Walmart has gone down negative minus 2%. If you look at it, right, this is where it is, negative 2% or so. But at the same time, TJ Maxx is 18% above. So there's a pretty good leader, at least for time being. At one point, Walmart and TJ Maxx had been trading around in the same performance, but eventually, Walmart gave up, and TJX is kind of continuing its gains. It has not given up the gains, right? So very good performance. If you look at TJX, they give a hefty like 1.5% dividend yields, which is very attractive, right? If you look at the best entry point, I would say somewhere in the range of 77. That would be my point of view, is to get in around 77, 78. I think even if you get something around 75, 76, that's good. And ride it, right? It's probably going to be touching 83. If not, it's going to be Having said that, it has outperformed Walmart, and I'm sure this is going to continue, but Walmart looks interesting as well. Um, so, but I will stick my bets on TJ Maxx, but you know, we got to give some time for the earnings to come. So, if at all you're starting a position, probably the best point to enter is about $77, and then you can write it up. Thank you guys. This is something I would like to talk about. This is all I want to talk about today. So, um, you know, let's continue, and we'll discuss more stocks in retail in the coming days. Until such time, stay tuned. If you like my channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.